Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. So as the winter season is approaching and the weather is getting really colder and stepping out for the important work can be getting really challenging. So that's why I'm here to share an amazing service that can make your life a lot easier if you are dealing with BLS applications for your visas, PCC, OCI, passport, and other attestation services. So let's talk about how you can schedule pickup and drop off service directly from your home to BLS center by just sitting at your home. So I came across this fantastic websites thanks to one of my friend has been a lifesaver. I'll share the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. So let me go through the website. So yeah, this is their homepage, and I will just click on the pickup service. And inside pickup service, you will see three options: pickup and drop off, pickup only, and drop off only. So pickup and drop off for like fresh applications which you want to send to BLS center, and pickup only for sending some pending document. And the third option, drop off only to get your processed document delivered to your home. Okay. So I'm going to choose pickup and drop off service for my service. And let me walk you through an example of also how you can schedule a pickup and drop off for your fresh applications. So I'm going to fill all my details, and first I will fill my name, then passport, then contact number, your email ID, my address line 1, address line 2, city, postal code, and the very important pickup date. Keep in your mind this date is really important, and provenance and the package location. And they have two set of times, you can choose either of them. Okay, now for drop off address, in my case my address will be same for drop off as well, so I'm again going to fill the same details over here. Yeah. So after completing my application, I'm going to click on the proceed button. Now you can see over here you have a payment summary, and you can see like what all details you have already filled over here. You can just see a quick summary of whatever you have filled right now. Okay. After completing payment, I just got a email from them in within 10 minutes, I guess. And I got another email after 10 minutes of Purolateral shipping label. I think they have partnership with Purolator, so you can also do in a similar way. So on the scheduled day, a Purolator representative will come to your home with an envelope. All you need to do is hand over all your documents, and I will give you one pro tip you can do. You can send documents for your entire family in a single envelope for pickup services. However, like for drop off, the date can be different for all of the applications, so you can schedule individual drop off service. So this is how you can fill your pickup and drop off application, and that's all. It's super easy way to manage your PLS application without stepping out in the cold. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you have any question or need help, feel free to leave a comment below. I will do my best to assist you. Thank you.